Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enroll to free online law courses. So if you're looking to get free online law courses, well, this video is for you, so stay tuned. All right, oldie but a goodie, still the best source for free online courses is openculture.com. Now, when it comes to law courses, they don't have that much. It's still a lot. It's still over a dozen, right? So as you can see here, says here a law student's toolkit from Yale, artificial intelligence and law, uh, Lund University or Lund, I don't know how to pronounce it. Capital punishment, race, poverty, and disadvantage from Yale Law, climate change, law and policy from UC Berkeley, copyright X from Harvard Law School, environmental law and policy from UC Berkeley, environmental politics and law from Yale, introduction to copyright law from MIT, labor law and employment discrimination from Gregory Groves, Missouri State, law and justice, Kyle Harper from University of Oklahoma, politics and media freedom from University of Westminster, progressive alternatives and institutional reconstruction today from Harvard, race, gender, and invisibility from UCLA, Columbia Law School, Theories of Law and Society from UC Berkeley, and Video Game Law from University of British Columbia Center for Digital Media. So those are the available law courses from Open Culture. Now, these are, again, from the top universities and colleges from across the world. And there are different medias. So like some are free online video, some are MOOCs or massive open online courses. Some are well, iTunes, free iTunes video if you're on a Mac or an iPhone. Any Apple device, this is for you. So free online audio as well. So there's a lot of different types of ways to view or read or hear, listen, from this. So let's check a law student's toolkit. A lot of times it's gonna be a YouTube playlist like this. And as you can see, there's 33 videos. It ranges from like 4 minutes to 10. As you can see here, we can check another one. Let's check free online video, capitalist punishment, capital, I mean. So again, another YouTube. A lot of this, again, like I just mentioned, like I'm not even a minute ago. It's a lot of YouTube playlists. So as you can see here, from 10 minutes to over an hour, and there are 40 videos on this list. So this is enough, right? This is a full course. As you can see here, it says here each video has one or more readings, and links can be found in the description area below each clip. You may need to click show more to see all the information. This course explores the imposition of the death penalty in the United States with particular attention to the influence of race and poverty and the disadvantages of mental illness or intellectual disability of those facing death. So again, this is from Yale courses, is the the channel, as you can see here. Failure of Silicon Valley. So again, so many courses, Yale courses, Yale's philosophy of teaching and learning. So they have over 1.3 million subs and almost 2K videos. Yeah, so let's check another one. Reason and invisibility. Let's check this one. So this is in IAA.tv. So you have the syllabus here about the course, what you're going to learn about the instructor, the syllabus, part 1, part 2. So yeah, subscribe to Enroll. So subscribing, I think, does not cost anything, but if you want to buy it, I think a lot of times, a lot of these courses, you can get like proper certification, but you need to pay for the course. And again, this is free, but if for some reason you want to be certified in a course, then by all means go ahead. Uh, let's check another one. Video game law from British Columbia University, British Columbia. So I think this is from the uh, university website, and it's taking a long time to load. I don't know if this is going to load or not. Sometimes it doesn't. And here, as you can see here, it's already loaded. So again, class 11. So yeah, you could easily access this per class, as you can see. And then another source for free online law courses is Allison.com. As you can see here, free online law courses from Allison to become well informed of the rules and laws within your homes, organizations, communities, and the country you live in. Learning about your country's legal system will help you become a more aware citizen. With our training courses, you can learn the fundamentals of business law concerning different types of business ownership and how to make them law compliant with all. So there's a lot of things and related subjects: business law, marriage, family law, paralegal, criminal law enforcement, contract law, GDPR, legal studies. So as you can see here, there's a lot. And it's gonna show you how long. 2 to 3 hours. There have been over almost 3,000 learners, and you're gonna learn the rundown of what you're gonna learn for each courses. So yeah, and as you can see, there's different ones. And if you wanna join, I think there's a paid version. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.